How to buy Elon token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 4 hours ago and increased by 32,000% in the last 24 hours, and this token trending number 21 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. So click here to copy the token address and open your front wallet for that. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this arrow token, click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive as you can see. And to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider and select Jupiter, for example. Click on apply. Now go back and here click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Elon token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.